In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create an account on the REDnote social app. It's super simple, so let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you've already downloaded and installed the REDnote app. Once that's done, open the app to get started. When you first launch the app, you'll need to agree to the terms and allow the necessary permissions. Now you'll see the login options. You can use your phone number to sign up by entering your country code and number. Alternatively, you can choose one of the other login options, such as signing in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Select the option that works best for you. If you're using a phone number, a verification code will be sent to you. Enter it, and you're good to go. For options like Google or Apple, you'll simply follow the on-screen instructions to grant access to your account. Next, you'll be asked to provide a few details like your gender and age. Don't worry if the interface is still partially in Chinese, just follow along as it's straightforward. After that, you'll need to choose at least 4 interests from categories like vlogs, travel, fitness, and more. These selections help personalize your experience within the app. Once you've set up your profile, you can start exploring the app's features. You'll see content catered to your interests, and the app will begin displaying more English-friendly options over time. That's all it takes to create an account on REDnote and get started with this exciting platform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips.